All right, well, we're gonna teach Anna how to drive a stick shift. Don't mind the floorboards, they're okay.
Totally. Oh,
yeah,
God.
yeah, they're fine. Don't worry. The gas pedal is right where your heel would go up in there. You might need to scoot the seat forward. The seat does scoot forward, actually, Anna.
Does it?
Yeah, so you should do that.
How do you do that?
There's a button or a little lever. You pull it and you go shooting forward. Yeah. Well, if the tracks were, greased properly instead of just heavily painted and duct taped.
Yeah, and that puts my foot like right in a hole.
Yeah, your foot's supposed to go in the hole right there. It's factory down there, Okay, so if you had the key and this had a running motor and this did stuff and the steering wheel was in the right place, like driving Miss Daisy, you would start the engine just like in your pickup or something. So you have a gas pedal, theoretically, that would be right there. Yeah, and then you'd have your brake pedal, which is rock hard because it's frozen solid. And then you have a clutch pedal, which you'll use your other foot for. You'll actually use that foot for the clutch pedal and the brake pedal. Yeah, it does that.
That doesn't seem right.
Well, I never said this car was ready to rock and roll. We're just going to teach you how to drive a stick.
No, I meant the whole using the left foot for gas or clutch and brake.
Or you can, it's just a myriad. It's whatever feels right for you. So anyways, you'd push it on the clutch. Push it all the way. You'll feel it. Okay.
Moving backward.
Yeah, I don't think the seat locked in.
I don't think so either.
And then with the clutch depressed, then you can pick a gear with your shifter. So, as soon as our shift ball from Danny Brewer shows up, we'll have a nice original shift ball in this thing. So yeah, so pull it back, that would be second. Now, when you push forward, this time kind of angle towards me and go that way, that would be third. You'll feel it click up in there real good. And then you'll pull it all the way back to you, and that would be fourth. So now go back to first. You can do it.
I don't even know where first is.
Well, go for it. It's an H pattern, so you got 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that'll actually be on the shift ball.
Is that it?
I don't know. I can't tell. Yeah, that was it. Yeah, so first and second, you'll kind of pull them towards you a little bit. And then 3 and 4, you actually let the shifter go to its normal position because you actually hold it over for first and second. Now, when you're in neutral, like this, when you can wiggle the shifter, you can let off the clutch, by the way. So, to get in reverse, so in a Chrysler transmission, reverse is non-synchronized. So it's always kind of a bear. So when you're in neutral, you'll get over here to where you'll feel it press over for first and second. Well, and then you pull it over one more, and you'll hear it clunk. And that's you going into reverse.
Oh,
and then to get it out of reverse, you just yank it hard and you get back into there. So now, Anna, try and put it in reverse. You don't need to worry about the clutch thing, but yeah, if you want to go full simulation,
well,
I'll make engine noises.
That's the whole point, right?
Boom, 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 boom. That was not reverse. That was first. There it is. And then as you would be trying
I feel like there needs to be an armrest there.
The armrest does feel a little low, doesn't it?
It does.
All the pictures I've seen show it being about this level.
I feel like there needs
Yeah, no, it's a little low for me, too. So, as you would be entering reverse, you'd slowly let off of the clutch pedal, and you'll feel the car start to kind of rock back. And that's about the time you're going to start to feed it a little bit of gas, and eventually you're going to let off the clutch all the way. And if you ain't got enough gas, from Taco Bell, of course, then the car's going to lurch, and you're going to freak out, and it's not going to be a pleasant experience. And most people think immediately to slam on the brakes, and that's the worst thing you can do. What should you do, Anna?
I think you told me one time that
You should press the clutch pedal.
yeah.
If the car starts getting out of hand and you can't control it, you press the clutch pedal. So, take her out of reverse. There you go. Do you think...
Where would park be?
There is no park.
What?
It's a 4-speed. Park is actually, so if you're on a hill or something, you can put it in just about any gear and that'll hold it in place. Or you can use the parking brake, which I don't recommend pressing on that right now because that may not ever come back to life if you press on it. And the parking brakes, that furthest pedal, yeah, it'll say park on it.
Yeah, it does say park.
Yeah.
It looks like a logo.
Yeah. All automatics and stuff have a parking brake. Man, we should really put the gauge cluster in here for this. That would have looked a lot better and had the right wheel, but we ain't found a wheel yet. Anyways, I just wanted you guys to come along for this little experience with Anna and I. This will be a short one for somebody somewhere who will enjoy this video. Because someday this car will be running and driving. This car, which probably by the time I put this out or you guys ever see this footage, this will be running and driving. And you'll get to see Anna actually learn how to drive a stick. Like every person should be able to. So, as always, take care, and we'll see you later.